Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G200, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel, and from here look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right here. Now this is, I believe, the default position of it, so once you find it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now if you're doing this for the first time, I do recommend you to hold it, just so you can view what kind of settings are here set by default, so you can see who can call you, who can message you, what kind of apps will be able to still give you some notifications, alarms, interruptions, and so on. So once you went through all of these and customize them to your liking, you can close this. There we go. Close this, and now when you go back to your notification panel right here, you can simply tap on this whenever you want to enable it. And obviously if you want to change some settings later on, you can hold it again and access those settings and change them. And once you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once again and this will turn it off. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.